In this video, we're going to talk about using save as. You use save as when you need to create a copy of a file under a new name or perhaps a new location. You might also use save as when you want to save it as a different file type, such as a PDF or a CSV. Now, to access the save as, we have a shortcut we can use. We can press F12 on our keyboard. That's a great shortcut you can actually use throughout all of Office if you need to access save as. Now, you may also have to press the function key if you're on certain laptops. Now, let's look at the save as dialog. It's blue and highlighted, so I can type something in and it'll change to that new name. If you want to change the file type, we have the second drop down. I can click on that and you can see there are different options like CSV and also PDF. I'm not going to change anything this time. I'm just going to go back to Excel workbook and I'm going to click on save. Now, if you have to change the file type with the mouse, we have to go to the File menu, then go to Save As. Now, if you see the folder that you want to save to on the right, you can go directly to that, or you can just click on Browse and then find the appropriate folder where you want to save it. Now, the last thing we're going to look at is adding a button to the Quick Access toolbar. Now, the Quick Access toolbar is great because it stays there no matter what tab you're on. So if you find yourself using Save As quite a bit, we're going to add a button to that Quick Access toolbar. So I'm going to click on Customize Quick Access Toolbar, that button up here next to the Undo and Redo. Then I'm going to go to More Commands. And for the category, I want to change this to all commands. Now I'm going to scroll down to find the save as. Now the one I like is this save as other format, because right next to it, there'll be a button where I can click on it and it'll be a drop down and I can select the file format directly. So I'm going to click Add and then click OK. Now, when I need to save my Excel workbook as another format, I can click the little drop down and go directly to different file formats. I hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching.